Hello YouTubers, this is my first meal post, I guess. I've been making some keto low-carb meals and it's been going out pretty well, but here's some my favorite things to make from this meal. First up, we have these shirataki noodle substitutes. They are 4 grams of fiber, 0 calories, and they have five carbohydrates, 4 dietary fibers, so 1 net carb. Take about 2 to 3 minutes to cook. They're really easy. And then for help with digestion from all the meat you're eating, we have Korean style kimchi. You can go, there's no nutrition label on this, but you know, it's good to have your kimchi. It's good for your digestion. It's good for your stomach. It's good for all the things you need to, you know, enjoy a keto lifestyle, because frankly, you can't just eat meat. I guess you could call this ketovore. I don't know. I don't know the exact name of it. Then we have our secret aardvark sauce. This is the garlic flavor. I found this stuff on sale. It's only 35 calories, 3 carbs, of course 3 from total sugar, but you know, you watch how much you put in it. Took some leftover pulled pork, and this is what I made. This is my keto noodle bowl. It's got kimchi in it. It's got that shirataki noodles. I mean, it's got some leftover barbecued pulled pork that I made in the Traeger. I mean, come on, who wouldn't want to eat that? Especially on keto. It's like one of those things, you know, you're craving noodles, you want the noodles. But anyways, I recommend this recipe. I put a little parsley on top just to give it a little color. Didn't really add much flavor, but if you're looking for a 4-ingredient meal for keto, follow directions on this package. And then with your meat, go ahead and fry it up. You can do chicken, beef, steak, whatever you basically want to do. Add in some aardvark sauce, or find some kind of sauce you like that you know, that has low in sugars. And I like this one because it has kind of a soy-y taste to it, which kind of matches what I'm making. And then of course you can add your hot sauce. Don't never skimp out on the hot sauce here. So let's go ahead and add some hot sauce. Yeah, add some hot sauce to the kimchi. We're gonna call this one first person bite view. Ready? Here we go. Nom nom. Mmm. This was delicious. And it doesn't taste as keto. I mean, it doesn't taste like you're missing the noodles. I mean, it is a different kind of noodle. When you first open up this package, it is a little bit stinky. That's all I gotta say about that. So you gotta make sure you wash it off really good, and then, you know, then you drain it, and then go ahead, voila. I just threw it in the bowl. I didn't stir fry it with the meat or anything. And anyways, this is my first keto meal that I'm posting. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe for more, and share this video with your keto friends if you want a 4-ingredient keto meal. Thank you for watching.